Hey guys, it's me Kagam from High Glamazon. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, okay, this is an ASOS haul. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing loads of hauls throughout the lifetime of this channel. Subscribe right now, okay? Without further ado, I ordered some new products from ASOS. I've had them in my saved items for ages. I don't know what you guys are like when it comes to ASOS, but I put things in my saved items. I like how ASOS keep things going and they like allow you to save items for like 60 days at a time. So without further ado, I'm not going to waffle about it. I'm so excited, and I promise this is a proper unboxing. I have not the only thing I've opened is the box itself to take out the stuff, but none of the stuff has been opened. I'm so excited. I wanted to share it with you guys first. So first things first, this is just like the receipt and packing slip. As most of you guys probably know by now, I live in Tanzania. It's just run of the mill. It's just like the packing slip if I want to do returns. I guess because I also have an e-commerce business and I work in digital marketing, I know how annoying returns are for companies. So I'm not one of those clients that returns things. I know many people on YouTube and many influencers and many like people return items often. I'm not that returning person. So I try my best to really make sure that I like something. So yeah, this is a receipt, whatever. It's fine. Okay, let's get into it. I'm so excited. I ordered some Carmex lip balm. I've always loved Carmex, and one thing I really liked from my time in the UK was I love just being able to pick up Carmex. I much prefer it in this like squeezy tube as opposed to the jar. The jar just seemed like, just so much work. This one has SPF 15. I think the scent for this is cherry. Yeah, they're both cherry. They smell really, really good. And actually, I think they gave like the whole box a kind of this like sweet fragrance. But yeah, so they're cherry Carmexes here, if you can see them. So I got 2 of these. Hopefully these will last me a significant amount of time. I'm so happy. I'm sorry, I just need to make myself all comfy, right? Okay, so then I got these earrings. So let's unbox it and unopen it. Got some scissors here. Comes in this bubble wrap. Let me open the bubble wrap. I think maybe to save time I might just be cutting things so that I'm not boring you opening things. Oh my god, you guys, look at that. It's gorgeous. Wow, they look amazing. ASOS, I feel like I've just gone above and beyond recently, because I swear to god, their stuff did not used to be this big, but I feel like you're definitely getting a lot of bang for your buck. I mean, look at that. It's gorgeous. I saw these were on sale. I think they were like half price. I'm not like super frugal. One of my best friends is very frugal, so I try and copy her. But I saw these. I just thought they were so cool and unique. I absolutely love pearls. So if you know anything about me, you know I love pearls, and I saw these, I couldn't resist, so I just had to pick them up. So these are some earrings I got. Just put those there. Okay, next item on the list. I'm actually really excited about these, and if you've been looking at my channel, you probably know what these are. That's right, they are sunglasses. It's this brand that's called, I think it's called SVN Eyewear. That's the name of the brand. These are some black ones. I might do some pictures on Instagram or for my blog for these, but I'm really excited. So I got these, and these are also on offer. They were like 2 for 1. So here is the other one, which ironically comes in a much better like packaging situation than this one, which is interesting. I have to say, I just love how ASOS package things. They really take it seriously. Oh, I love these. These are so retro. These are so rich. I'm just obsessed. I love it. I like taking tags off things later, but I just wanted to share these with you. So I got these 2. So these came in a set. I just love the 1950 cat's eye. Never goes out of style. Looks great with everything. Really excited about these. These are also on sale. I can double check my packing list in a second. And then I can tell you how much they were. I think it was like two for £10. I think that was it. Really excited about this next purchase here. I got these holographic like stiletto nails. Sorry, there's a bit of a reflection, I got them. I'm obsessed with these. I think they're just adorable. Love them to bits. These are press-on nails. They obviously have a glue. Elegant Touch London's glue is amazing, and I've definitely been talking a lot about the Kiss glues, but the Elegant Touch glues are amazing. Oh my goodness, I'm so I'm so excited about this next thing that I got. I'm just opening it here. And it's exciting, but it was quite shocking. I think this is like the pièce de résistance of my entire like haul. I'm so shocked none of the pearls broke. This is so Anne Boleyn, I just can't. I'm just frightened to even put it on my head right now. I'm just so frightened. I'm so obsessed with this. So this is this gorgeous pearl like head band that I saw on the ASOS website. I'm absolutely obsessed with this thing. Look at it. It's like amazing. I can just put it on here. It is heavy as hell, but it is amazing. Obviously, guys, I'm not styling it for this video. If I'm going to style it, I will put some thought into how it looks, because it's nighttime in my country. I'm just about to go to bed. I just wanted to shoot this whole video, but as you can see, it's absolutely on the model. It doesn't look heavy, but it is heavy. It's definitely a bit heavy, although I think I could probably just like get used to it or whatever. So I got this. I'm so obsessed with this. I cannot wait to wear this. Oh, I'm so obsessed. It's so unique and different, and look at those pearls. Oh my goodness. Obsessed. What do you guys think? I think this is my favorite piece of my haul so far. Okay, so I'm just like even gently putting it away. I just want to protect it. Oh, okay, really excited about this one. Let me show you what this is. This is a jersey pencil dress. Living in Tanzania just makes polyester, it just makes it like a fabric that should not exist, but obviously polyester is really affordable. This is a jersey dress from ASOS, as you can see here. I am a UK 12. I really like this dress. I mean, sorry, this pencil skirt. It is a pencil skirt. It's not a try on haul today, guys. I'm absolutely shattered from work, but I will definitely make an effort to do try on hauls if you subscribe, and if you like, comment and tell me if you want to see try on hauls. But it's just a classic pencil jersey dress. I'm gonna try, skirt. Why do I keep saying it's a dress? It's a skirt, okay? Yeah, so it's this. Love it. Oh, I just love the feel of jersey. Jersey's so perfect for this weather. Even though this is black, it's not going to make me sweat crazily. So put that there. And then, guys, just so excited today. I can't even tell you how exciting it is opening these pieces. I'm just so excited. Look at that. Look at ASOS. Some nice tissue paper. Okay, ASOS. Okay. This is a polka dot dress that's on the ASOS site. I have to say, it's kind of like, on the site it looks cream. No, it looks like a pure snowflake white, but it's more of like an ivory off-white actually in the flesh. And it's got these cute little like sort of blackish bluish polka dot spots on it. I feel like ASOS a few years ago used to make really appropriate workwear dresses, which were these classic, what ASOS calls its wiggle dress, which this is one of the wiggle dresses. And then now, because fashion is very minimalist, it's very bodycon at the moment, there's a lot of like, I don't know, there's a lot of pressure on these fast fashion brands to churn out a lot of styles. But I do think that ASOS need to remember their modest customers as well. I would say that my fashion is very I love glamorous, high octane looks, but I live in a very conservative country. So I like conservative dresses like this that I can wear to work. I can wear this to work. I can wear it to church. I can wear it when I'm going to visit older relatives of mine, even though maybe 100% modest isn't my style. It's nice having conservative modest choices when you live in a conservative country. I mean, obviously the UK is very liberal, so they're going to have different things for different people, but I'm just happy that they still make these like very appropriate workwear dresses. It's really, really nice. So I can wear this to the office, I can wear it to visit my mom, I can wear it to church, I can wear it going to the village. It's very practical. I will definitely take a photograph of wearing this and put it on my Instagram. If you guys want to see what it looks like, just let me know. Okay, and now, where are the scissors? I've been so excited, I'm like losing my mind. I don't even know where I put them. Oh, here they are. Okay, so this is the final piece, unfortunately, of my haul. But I think this is one of the best purchases I've made. I mean, I don't know why I'm getting excited, but I haven't even opened it. I'm just opening it now. This is this really cute, like, obviously it's like a mock croc, whatever kind of snake, or mock snake, not mock croc, it's like a mock snake skin. It is a shopper bag, okay, with some plastic here, that's fine. Let's take it out, let's see. Okay, that's weird, so that needs to be cut open. Let me just cut that open. Okay, this is kind of awkward, guys. Sorry for that weird kind of break. I'll deal with that later in a second. It's a ball ache getting it open. I think like one of the biggest things about ASOS is like they do have a lot of choice, and obviously over the Christmas period they've had like sales. So this is a shopper. I can probably put my laptop in here. I can fit like my wallet and some of my pouches. I love pouches. And guess what? Guess what? It has a freaking pouch, okay? On the website, ASOS says that this is a pouch for tablet, like a tablet. I don't have a tablet, probably not going to buy a tablet, so I would see this more as like a pouch for like makeup, bare essentials that I need every day kind of thing. I think I'd definitely be into doing a video as well, showing you how to organize. I'm really into organizing things that are in my bag. So this is how the inside of the pouch looks. You can see the cute little ASOS branding there. I actually love this pouch. I'm living for this pouch, honey, okay? And it also has a thing that can be tied around your wrist. Obsessed. This is how the shopper looks. Although this is just like, it unfortunately, sadly, it doesn't have like a zipper on the top. That would have probably been more practical. But this is how the shopper looks on the inside. Not sure how much you can see. It's a little bit dark here. But it's just a classic shopper. There's a clasp there. This one was £15. It was on sale with the pouch. Okay, you guys, that is the end of my shopping haul from ASOS. I'm ridiculously excited. I'm so excited. I think that this headband is probably like one of my favorites. And these pearl earrings, everything I got I'm obsessed with, obviously, but I think these are just like so cute, and obviously you wouldn't wear them together, but I think this is such a cute set piece for events. I think this can be worn for parties, events, going out with friends, christenings, etc. If you're invited to an event, you can wear this, going out shopping with friends. I absolutely love this. I'm just obsessed with it. I think it just probably requires a lot of care, and you have to be very careful because obviously you don't want the pearls to fall off. ASOS are stepping up, and they are serious about life. Also love this. This is really practical. I wanted to get things this time around that were very practical. I'm going to see how I feel. I'm really surprised about this dress and how cream it is. It looks so white on the website, you know, but it's actually very cream. It almost looks like ivory or like off-white. Fascinating. What do you guys think of my haul? Do you like it? What are your favorite items from my haul? What do you like from my haul? Do you not like my haul? Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And send me an email if you want to tell me your thoughts on my channel. Send me an email if you've got general thoughts. Send me an email about whatever. I'm always online. I'm happy to chat to anyone who loves fashion, lifestyle, etc. Thank you. Take care. God bless.